Hey folks, I'm KK from Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to cover top 5 reasons to learn Python. Also, the top 5 reasons why Python should be the first programming language you learn. In fact, in most computer science programs, Python is the most introductory programming language they teach. Number 1, Python is a dynamically typed language. I will explain what this means. You don't have to declare the type when you are declaring a variable, so you can skip the headache of typecasting and declaring variable types when you declare variables. For example, in Java, if you want to use x to store integer variables like 1, 2, 3, you have to first declare x as integer. When you declare it integer, x can never be of 1/2. If you take x equal to x divided by 2, you expect x equals to 0.5, but it doesn't. In fact, x can never be 0.5. First, you have to cast the result as an integer. We'll program only to compile as the integer be 0, since Java is run to down it to nearest integer. So the value will be 0. But in Python, you take x equals to 1. Python takes care of your type management, so you don't worry about it. Here, at this point, x is an integer type, and if you say x equals to x divided by 2, the result as you expect is x equals to 0.5. And if you look at the x's type, at this point, x is a floating point variable. These dynamically typed variables makes Python much easier to work with. Most compiled languages are strongly typed languages like Java and C. Number 2, simple syntax. Some programming languages have unending parentheses, brackets, braces, colons. Need to put parentheses, brackets, commas, semicolons, all kind of different syntax for different things in place. Otherwise, your program doesn't even compile, it doesn't run, it shows error. With Python, you save time worrying over tiny little commas, semicolons and braces. That means it is designed to be as simple as possible, solves the problem worrying over spending time over braces and semicolons, and concentrate more on programming. Number 3, one-liner. Something in Python is so elegant and smooth, and this you will just be amazed things you will do or to do in one line in Python, which takes 3 or more lines in other programming languages. For example, to exchange the value of two variables x and y in Java, first declare what is the type of the variable. To declare x, declare temp and copy the value of x in temporary variable temp, then move value of y into x, then move the temp back into y. It takes 3 lines of code in Java to swap two variables. In Python, simply write x comma y equals y comma x to swap two variables. This is a simple single line statement which will swap the value of two variables x and y. That's it. Number 4, English-like commands. You will find Python code in much more readable than Java or C because Python is designed to be English-like as much as possible. We will see these two commands. First, in Java, which will print string name, let's say Krish. So we have to assign name Krish to the variable name, which is declared as type string, and we have added semicolon at the end of the line to terminate the statement, which we don't have to use in Python. You can simply write name equals to Krish in Python, and then to print in Java, you will write system.out.println name, while in Python, you write simple print name. So you can see the syntax and readability of Python is so much simpler than Java, C, and most of the other similar programming languages. And number 5, intuitive data structures. Intuitive and really simple to use data structures. Python has data structures like lists, tuples, sets, dictionary, which are very useful in different ways. These are powerful yet simply intuitive to use. These data structures in Python are flexible that you can use mixed data types. You can have a list of mix of integer, string and floating point values within list, or even list within list. These data structures in Python are much more flexible than most of the other programming languages. So let's conclude the video on top 5 reasons to learn Python. I hope it is helpful for you. If you liked, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.